Hi everyone, hope everyone's having a wonderful night. Tonight I have a happy mail. It's from my buddy Vivian, and she's also a YouTuber, so I will put information on the description box. And it's called Diamonds Around You. So let's see what she sent me. Okay, it's exciting. It's in this big box. I just put some masking tape to cover the address. Okay, so let's see. Move this aside. She did tell me to open the card first. Okay. All right. Very pretty, guys. Look at that. It's got little butterflies and flowers. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right. And then it says read. Okay. It looks like we've got stickers. Pretty cool. These are, I guess, from Starbucks. So you got a little golden retriever puppy. Okay, and then you've got a drink here from Starbucks coffee, and a couple of other drinks, and another drink, and pinkety drinkety. Okay, pretty cool. All right, let's put that aside. Okay, do we pull this? Oh, all right. Hey Sylvia, thanks for being my friend and support me on my channel. Here's small gifts for you. Inside the envelope are all the cover minders that I told her that I liked. I hope you enjoyed them as I did making them. Hugs, Viv. Aw. Okay. Because Vivian is going to sell her cover minders. So I was telling her which ones I like. But, okay. Let's put this over here. All right. Let's get to the goodies. All right, let's see. Let's open this big one first. Oh my gosh, guys. Pretty the paper. And she knows that I love gnomes. Look at this gnome, guys. Oh my God. Look how cute he is. It's pink. Okay, it's got very long legs. And it's got little sakis with little pink bows. And a very nice hat. I love it, Vivian. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Love him. I love gnomes. He's going to go with my other gnomes. Okay, let's put him right there for now. Okay, and then she also sent me washi tape, guys, that has gnomes. Let's see. Let's get it open. Where's my scissors? So we can take a quick peek. Okay, come on. We could use this on the diamond paintings, making cards, or scrapbooking layouts. All right. Oops. I don't want to rip it. Did I get it? Nope, I did not get it. Let's do this. Ay. Why is it not? It's not. It's giving me a hard time, guys. Okay. Oh, anyway, there's the gnomes. I can't get it out. I'll have to fix that later, but it's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, and then she sent me, look at this, guys. This is a cover minder, and I think this is infinity. It's got little 2 butterflies flying around. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Very nice. And then she sent me a Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh, I love this one. This one I'm going to have to also, this one Olivia's going to want. Oh my God. Look how cool. So you can actually stand them, right, like this. Or I think she said if you put the magnet in the back, you can lay it down like this on your painting, which is pretty cool because that's the way I like it, laying down. I love it. Okay, let's put them over there. And then, see what this is. A magic photo frame and mirror. Okay. USB battery power. Battery is not included with LED lights. All right. Let's see what this is. Rotate. Okay. This is interesting. Okay. Come on. Okay, so I guess I have to plug this. I can plug this to my lamp. Oh my gosh, guys, this is Oh my God. Look how cute this is, guys. It's got special drills. So in a very cute, it's an owl family. So I guess you have to put the special drills. I have to read the instructions, but it's the battery. Is that how it works? I'll figure it out, but it's gorgeous. I love it. I know that Vivian loves owls. All right, thank you, Vivian. I love this. This is definitely gonna go in my craft room. Okay. All right, let's see what else we got here. I have to figure that out, and when I do figure it out, I will show it to you guys. Now let's see. There's one more thing here. Very nice wrapping with lots of kisses. I think these are the cover minders. Oh, very sticky. Got it all over my fingers. Okay, so, we got Reese's Pieces candy. You know who this is for, guys. It's in the shape of a carrot, and this is for Mama. Okay, for my Mama. All right, let's see. Let's get one at a time. I told her that I wanted this one. It's a heart. Okay, it's a cover minder. So it's a very nice red heart with a kitty on top. And the kitty looks, he's resting. He's very tired. He had a very long day. That's me after I finished diamond painting. Okay. Oh, this goes with this, with the clock. Not the clock, the mirror. Ooh, wow, look at this one, guys. This is gorgeous. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Let's get this out, the paper. Oh my God. It's a beautiful flower, but look at the colors. Wow, I love this. Okay, let's put that there, let's put that there. Oh, the cover minders, so you can see them. Any more goodies in here? Okay, oh my gosh. So a little cat with a pink bow, guys. Oh my God, and it's a very cute blue cat. Look how cute that is. Just adorable. Ooh, the magnets, they're attracted to each other. Okay, here's another one. This one is a teddy bear. It's a cute little teddy bear. It's a blue teddy bear. He's like hiding, and then he takes a little peek, and then he's got blue flowers. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love it. Okay. Oh my God, I love that. Okay, here's another one. And she will be selling these, guys. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, this was going to be for my daughter. It's Harry Potter, and it's Gryffindor. Look at that. How beautiful that is. And then it says Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Pretty cool. I know my daughter's going to want that one. Oh my gosh, she sent me a lot. Oh my God. This is a teddy bear with a heart. Gosh, thank you. Oops, I want to drop it. Look how cute that is, guys. That's just adorable. Okay, and then I think this is the last one, and then it's another teddy bear. She knows I love my teddy bears. I mean, who doesn't like teddy bears? Come on, guys. Really? Okay, come on. This one does not want to come out. Oh, it looks like he's waiting for someone. See that? It's got a little yellow butterfly flying around, and some pots, flower pots with flowers. And then, of course, more stickers, guys. Okay. So we got more Starbucks. She knows I like my coffee. I'll have a venti strawberry acai. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Refresher, please. Drink some coffee and pretend to know what you're doing. That's funny. All right. So lots of beautiful stickers, washi tape, my beautiful gnome. He's heavy, actually, guys. I don't know if you can see him. Okay, let's just put him over here because you can't. But look at all my cover minders. Well, let's move the box out of the way. Box is pretty big. Okay. And that way we can move the cover minders down here. so you can see them better. Is that good? And what else? My stickers, my candy, my washi tape. Oh, you still can't see my gnome, but it's okay. Okay, and my gnome and my mirror. And the mirror comes with this very pretty owl family. Thank you very much, Vivian. I absolutely love everything. This was very, very, very nice of you and very generous. Thank you. So I will put her information on my description box. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, guys. Bye. Bye-bye, guys.